am I doing this time? I'm taking a piece of sheet metal right here, and I'm lopping the top off and I'm going to level it because I want to use it to cover up. I'll show you down here. What I want to do is I want to take this thing, and if you look down here, see that hole right there? It's going to get covered up with this piece of sheet metal right over the top. There's a big machine here, but I got to move it over about 2 inches. I'm just going to slide it over and leave it there because I don't want all the grinding dust going in there. Just like cleanup job. So keep watching. You get to watch me use a DeWalt metal cutting, sheet metal cutting, or whatever the hell it's called. What the hell is it called again? Let me edit this out. Keep watching, and if you keep, take 3. I'm going to be using my DeWalt cordless circular saw. That's what it is. So edit this out if you remember. Hold on. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but I'm just going to put a mark right on here. Can you see this? Yeah. Put a mark right. Was it on the 6? It's across here. Right to about there, I guess. I'll run a line. Doesn't have to be super accurate. Just has to. Yeah, maybe a little more accurate than that would be nice. That'd be perfect. I just want to cut that part off because I think that part is. Yeah, it's should be high enough. Maybe a little shorter. Yeah. You know what? Just to be safe, I'll cut it about 1 inch shorter. Dang it. Let's go like this then. 6. We'll put it at 6.5. And put halfway point. What's going on here? Is it even accurate? Probably not. Considering it's on an angle here. It's not even on the damn floor. Let's see. Put that there. That there. That would have been shitty. When you know, you know. There we go. That's a little better. Nope. Not lined up yet. There we go. Ta-da! Nice line, which you probably can't see. There you go. Hello, YouTube. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but you will in a minute. Getting out the cordless reciprocator, and hopefully I don't cut through anything major over there. This is suspended in midair here. Well, folks, as you can see, or maybe, I don't know if you could see it or not, but it works. Let me see it. Hello, YouTube. In the last segment, I pretty much missed the whole damn thing because my body was in the way, but I'll put a little piece in there. So what I'm doing is, hopefully you can see this now. Watch, I'm going to be in the way the whole time. Anyway. What I'm doing is putting my gloves on backwards. Taking this and this in order to hide that piece. Yeah, of course. See? Yeah, hold on. Let me move the camera around. Let me move the camera. Turn this off. All right, folks. I don't know if my fat ass is going to be in the way in this one. What I'm doing is taking all the shit off the floor here. And I'm going to put a piece of sheet metal in there. Of course, there's every goddamn thing. Because one of the things I do not want is metal shavings and all kinds of crap to get under here. Basically, there's too much junk there. And well, so I got this piece of metal that I'm gonna screw in place right here. Ta-da! Couple of self-tapping screws and voila. That's what I'm gonna do. That is my whole adventure for tonight. Yay, isn't it exciting? Not really. So let me see if I got a screw gun that works. And I'll plug in my trusty handy dandy batteries that keep going dead. Stay tuned. Hello YouTube. It's not much of a project, but basically it'll keep this shit from piling, because if you look right here, this little thing, that's a chunk of grinding shit that came off of here. Basically it just sits here. So this is all metal. I got a Baldor, Mastercraft, a baby Baldor, and a Wolf grinder on there. So I gotta move shit around. Actually, let me lift it up. Let me explain that one more time. If you look over here, I got my big grinder, my old Betsy wobbly here, and a baby Baldor, which I gotta clean up. So next thing I'm probably gonna do is make a little, probably 6-inch high back shroud, which I don't really need one, but I would like to put a little like enclosure here just to stop shit from going behind it. Because you know, keeping paint cans behind your grinder is the most safest thing in the world to do, but you know, I have to put them somewhere. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. It was one little sheet of metal video. Hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't much in it, but that's what I was doing tonight.